Hello there guys, it's CoolFox here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Syllable running wireless earphones. Starting off with the unboxing, on the front you have the Syllable logo, on the side you have a QR code for their website, on the other side there is nothing written, and on the bottom there is also their website linked. So opening up the box, you will find the earbuds themselves on top, and putting those to the side, underneath you will find a few ear tips, and underneath that you will find the charging cable, and lastly you will find the manual and also a little sticker. Starting off with the manual, there is nothing really fancy written in here. It only shows how to charge up the earbuds themselves and also connect them to each other, which they do it automatically anyways. Taking a look at the earbuds themselves, you can see that they are separate and they do not have a wire with them. And here you can see that they are also white with a grey ear tip. All there is written is the Syllable logo, and then there is the power on off button as well as the charging port on the bottom of both the earbuds. This is obviously an ear hook which is used to secure the earbud over your ear, since these are mostly used for running, and this will ensure a secure fit on your ear. Once you turn one on, you will see a blue LED indicator on the bottom, and once you turn on the second one, you can see that they will pair up automatically, as you can see right here, and then you can just connect to them through your phone. In fact, here, as you can see, if you go to pair a new device, you will see that they will come right up. Now they are both connected, and as you can see, both of them have the blue LED flashing, which means that they are both connected to each other and to the phone, and therefore you can just pop them inside your ear and start listening to music. As for the sound quality, they do sound pretty good. There is a lot of low end, considering that these are pretty cheap, coming at around £27, which in normal earphones they would not be that cheap, but since these are truly wireless earbuds, they are pretty cheap. But while listening to music you will hear a bit of distortion, which is a shame since this overall sound quality is actually pretty good. But the distortion can be heard quite a bit, and it sounds like there is a bit of static in the background while you are listening to the music. But the distortion will overall be heard in most of the songs. Apart from that, the button on both works perfectly, and also if you press one it will start playing for both, and if you take a look inside the manual you will see all the different functions that there are with the buttons on both of the earbuds. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.